So media, don't be tired. We want to talk about this vaccination of 22 million cows. Hey. Mutashangaa kabisa. The reason behind it. People using climate change debate say our cows produce methane gas, which is okay. Our cows. Right? And because of the clever Kenyans actually do biogas. They cook with it. Now they want to vaccinate our cows in order to stop producing. Yeah, can you imagine? Because they say you in offend the ozone layer, and to use Kenya as a guinea pig. So after this vaccination of 22 million cattle, we will be eating meat that has been genetically modified. It's not enough that they have lifted the orders on GMO and we have gone to the appeal court. GMO imekubalika. We need therefore this mediation spirit in us so we know, tell each other the truth. So this is really, come to think of it, this is dangerous stuff. But we'll be talking about it on Friday. When Jeremiah Kioni kept on talking about this over the weekend, I was wondering, what is Kioni talking about? Until the reality has hit me. So, we will say a polite and firm no to some of these machinations. And we'll ask our people. By saying no, we are not saying you don't belong to Kenya or you want to immigrate. No, this is the only land. This is our land. Yeah. In the book of Isaiah, Kenyans have tried to identify where Kenya is. The land beyond the rivers of Ethiopia. So this land is important.